my channel. Thanks for watching, and if you're new around here, welcome. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and that bell so that way you guys get notified when I upload new videos. So today I have for you guys a huge PR unboxing, and I have a bunch of products here from Pixi Beauty, and this is actually 2 months worth of products. I was actually supposed to do a video last month, but with like Thanksgiving and my birthday, I didn't get to that point, so I decided to do one huge video for December to show you guys what I got, and I got some really awesome stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So the first thing I have here is called the Quick Fix Powder, and this is like a setting powder. I think this is new. I haven't seen this yet. Okay, so this looks like this, and it already has that little like cushion pom-pom, which is actually quite nice because you don't have to use a brush. So if you don't have a brush, this is quite fine. Okay, so the next thing I have here is the Nourishing Lip Polish. Ooh, with apricot and grapefruit oils. It's a gentle lip scrub. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. I've been wanting a lip scrub, and my lips are so chapped and dry right now. It has apricot oil, moisturizers, grapefruit, and shea butter. Not tested on animals and paraben free. It looks like this. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't wait to try this out. My lips are going to love this. Okay, so the next thing I have is a multi-balm cheek. Did I say chick? Cheek and lip. 2-in-1, and it's in the color Baby Petal. This is so pretty, you guys. It's like a 2-in-1. You can either use it for your lips as a balm or for your cheeks. Let's take this thing out. This is really nice. So it looks like this. Oh my goodness, look at that color. So I also got this gorgeous gold box, and look how shiny this is. And to be honest with you guys, the day that I got this, I opened it right away because it is quite heavy and I really wanted to see what was inside. And when I did, you guys, I literally almost cried, and I'm going to show you guys why. So you open it with the ribbon on the top, and look how beautiful this is. It's a huge bottle of the Glow Tonic, my favorite toner, and this is huge, you guys. When I looked on the label, I was like literally about to cry. It has my name written on it. How beautiful is that? It says Fabiola's Glow Tonic, and it does come with a little dispenser pump in the back. So I now have a lot of this, and this is going to last me a very, very long time. I am so thankful and so happy. Thank you so much to Pixi Beauty for being so kind and sending this out to me. This is definitely like the most amazing holiday gift ever, you guys. So it has a little brochure in the back. It does say that it is glycolic acid. It gently exfoliates the skin. It has ginseng, which is amazing for the skin. It energizes your complexion. It has aloe vera, which will hydrate and soothe your skin, especially if you have very sensitive skin. This is actually really good for that. And it says that it's one of the best selling toner. It gently accelerates the cell renewal for the perfect Pixi glow. Like I said, this is my favorite toner. I do use this a lot, so I am beyond excited. I am going to put this in my vanity because it has my name on it, and I love this. So the next thing I have is in this box right here, and it has a label that says, do you want brighter skin? Take the Glow Tonic Challenge. Like I said, this is one of their best selling products, so that's why it's very, very popular. And in the inside, it looks like this, and it has this card that tells you a little bit about the Glow Tonic. It is a Glow Tonic to Go exfoliating toner pad. So it looks like that. And oh, these are different. Oh, these are nice. So these are like to go. They already come in this little packaging, and they're just like little pads that you can use, which is awesome because if you guys don't want to bother with like the cotton balls, you can just use this instead. I mean, it does have the same product, but it already has the pad in there. And they also sent a t-shirt This is so cute, you guys. Look at that. It's like a white top. It says Pixi Beauty by Petra. And in the back it says, take the Glow Tonic Challenge. And the awesome thing about this is that they actually sent me another box, just like this one. So I'll be giving this away to one of my lucky subscribers. I'll leave you guys all the rules and details on the description bar down below, so make sure you guys check it out. But I'm so excited that not only will I be able to do this challenge, but you guys will also be able to do it with me. So the last box that I have is this one here. It has some lip balms and lipsticks. Oh, this looks so beautiful. It says your lips but better. Love your lips and complete your Pixi Perfect Pout with these nourishing lip essentials. So pretty, you guys. I have some of their lip balms and oh my goodness, they are the most amazing balms. I love them. Oh my goodness, they sent me the whole set. So I have 2, 4, 5, 6 of their lip products all in here to try out. So they sent me 3 of their balms and 3 of the lipsticks. And I can't wait to try these out. These colors look stunning. So these here are the balms, and they are called the Shea Butter Lip Balm. I have this in the color Natural Rose, which is like a purpley pink shade. This one here looks stunning. Can't wait to try that one out. There is also the shade that is called Ripe Raspberry. Beautiful shade. And the other one is like a more natural shade, and this one is in the color Sweet Peach. Beautiful color. This would definitely go perfect on any skin tone. And the lipsticks that I have, it is called the Matte Luster Lipstick. They're all matte. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try these out, you guys. This one is in the shade Rose Naturel. Beautiful color. This is like perfect for an everyday look. And then we have this other one, which is more like a plum purpley shade. It's called Bitten Rose. Look at this one, how beautiful. And the other one that I have is Peach Blossom. This is so pretty. This would be perfect for like the summer or the spring. So those were all the amazing products that I got from Pixi Beauty. I loved everything that I got. Like I said, I love Pixi Beauty and I have tons of their products. They are really, really high quality. I mean, not because they sent them out to me, I'm going to tell you guys, oh, I really, really love them if I don't. But to be honest with you guys, everything that they send to me, I absolutely love. The quality is great. Pigmentation is amazing. Everything, their skincare products are really awesome, and the price, you guys, it's super affordable. You can find these at Pixi Beauty's website. You can also find these at Target. I do get a lot of them at Target every time I shop there. That's like my favorite store to shop, but I do pick like a product here and there. But it is amazing, you guys. Everything from their line is amazing. So I really, really hope you guys enjoyed my PR unboxing. Like I said, I'll leave you guys all the details and information on my giveaway down below so you guys can check it out and enter this challenge with me. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!